What's up again, YouTube? How's it going? TPX Reviews. So yeah, today's review, or the same day's review, is the Fruit Punch SunnyD. So if you watched the first one, I got a whole bunch of shit out of the way, and mentioned that this drink was exclusive to 3 states. So good luck finding it. If you don't know what those states are, look it up at sunnydx.com and go from there. Quick note to mention, after I finished the lemon lime review, I noticed that in the glass there seemed to be cloudiness, not the typical cloudiness that you'd get from, I don't know, just any old energy drink. My suspicion of the drink being mixed with a carbonated beverage, so in other words they took SunnyD and some other carbonated beverage and just put them together, was probably true, because it's like the drink settled within the can, and it got very particly cloudy. It was not like a cloudy like it came that way. It was like a cloudy like it settled, little tiny little specks of broken up SunnyD. So we will investigate that today. I will stick the camera straight into the glass, because we're cool like that. So anyways, give you these specs back here. And this time I'm actually going to check them out to see how they concoct this beverage. So this one's got 1 more gram of sugar than the lemon lime. It seems like they took carbonated water, sucrose, glucose syrup, and 2% or less of each of the following concentrated juices: orange, apple, grapefruit, all that shit. Energy from a distinct blend of 3 sugars, which is weird because I guess they're replacing the caffeine. The energy blend has to be pretty powerful to... It's the sugar, the 3 types of sugar have to be working together quite well to make up the difference of a caffeine. I'm assuming that for me, I would have to drink all 3 of these flavors today, which I guess I am, to feel any buzz at all. And when you don't necessarily get the caffeine, it doesn't matter how many of these you drink, you're not going to get rid of the caffeine withdrawals. Caffeine withdrawals exist for a reason. You don't put caffeine in a drink, you're not going to get rid of the withdrawals. Migraines, headaches, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, silver tabs on all 3 of them. I could review them all at once, but it'd be nauseating, and maybe you don't want to watch one review. Maybe you're only interested in one of the flavors. Otherwise, that would be perfect if I could get them all out in a way. I could get them all out of the way at once. But, you know. So. Then again, some people might literally be only interested in one flavor. So that's, like I said, it's just better individually. Unless I'm mixing them. So it kind of smells funky. Like really funky. It smells like fruit punch, yes. But it's got a bit of a scent that I'm not quite sure what it is. I don't really know. It's kind of like a vitamin C smell. Not really sure if that's a good thing at all. I mean, it's actually, I know for a fact it's not a good thing. It's just kind of answering my own question with that one. Okay, let's pour it out, and this time I'm not going to spill any because I hate when that happens. Alright, so this one comes out really freaking pretty. And like its other one, it matches very well with the can, which looks like lava, which is very cool. And then we're gonna stick the can straight in there. I mean, the camera straight in there. Camera, you could see. Okay. I don't know if this one's gonna do it, but if not, we'll do it later. because it seemed like it was apparent toward the end and when I moved the glass around. So let's check this shit out. I don't see it doing it with this one, but then again, it's not my own eyes. I'm looking through the camera's view, and the camera can see things differently. Well, the display can see things differently, not necessarily. I'll see if it's doing it with my eye. I'll actually see if it's really doing it when I take a sip. Okay, so it's not doing it with this one. Maybe later toward the end of the drink. I noticed it was like the very bottom of the glass. So, I know the glass is clean, so that's pretty much. Anyways, yeah, so it tastes like fruit punch, and it's basically really it. It tastes like fruit punch. Tastes like a fruit punch that you... I don't even know. I don't even know if it's comparable to like a NOS fruit punch or a Kool-Aid fruit punch, but it's definitely fruit punch. And it tastes a little weird, but in a fruit punchy way. I don't know. It's like, it's good. It's maybe not the best fruit punch I've ever had, but it's decent. Yeah, pretty much it. Score-wise, I'm feeling like a 9.4. I don't know. It's a little less impressive, but more of the same. Definitely prefer. It tastes like Monster Baller's Blend, but not as powerful. It's a little bit like almost like a sugar-free version. Yeah, sugar-free Baller's Blend. That's what it tastes like. So if you need a good example, there you go. Also, but it also has more of that same awkward SunnyD mixed with carbonated beverage taste. Overall, why I'm even giving it a high score is because it's good. The way I describe it maybe doesn't sound appealing, but when you're drinking it, it's good. You can finish it. It's definitely not terrible. And it's worthy of it. Someone crazy would say that if they were more like cruel to their drinks, and after all the drinks they do, all my reviews would change based on this. But I would say that this is a 7.6, and everything else would fall like down there. That's like if I was being, you know, compared in energy drink scale, it's the 7.6. But as far as this flavor, and as far as, you know, and I don't mean, but that goes for all the other ones. Don't take any of the other scores I've ever mentioned, like how I give drinks 10s and 9s. I just gave the amp a 10. That would rank as like an 8 for me amongst all energy drinks. So there's ways that you're supposed to, like, it's like how you're comparing it to, like, for that moment versus all the other ones that you've ever had in your whole life. It's like a rank rather than a score. So yeah, anyways, check out the can a little bit more, and it's cool. I like that SunnyD has tried this, and that I'm kind of wish it was available for everybody. So anyways, that's pretty much that. Let me see. Now this particular one did not break up or have issues, so never mind. Nope. It's good shit. So that's pretty much it. You can pretty much get fruit punch SunnyD, I'm pretty sure, and probably make this yourself. I know that a lot of you might want to get some of my drinks that I review And because I have so many, it's like, where does he get these, and can he send them to me? Because it'd be easier that way. I mean, I'm like an eBay at this point, but I just don't sell, and I don't trade. I'd rather sell than trade, so offer me money and I'll take that. But maybe not. You know what I mean? But yeah, it is true. If I did sell every energy drink I reviewed, I'd be rich. Like, if I could sell 12 packs or cases to you guys for each drink, like, let's say, boom, sell a case of this. Every drink I review, there's case. No, I get them individually, and it would cost me way too much to make my own cases, and it wouldn't work out. But individuals, sure, but then shipping there's no deal. So anyways, told you guys that this would be quicker, so it is. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.